Glass bottles, ubiquitous in our daily lives, have a fascinating history that spans thousands of years. Let's embark on a journey through time to explore the evolution of glass bottle production, from its ancient origins to the sophisticated manufacturing processes of today. Join us as we unveil the fascinating tale of how humanity mastered the art of shaping molten sand into vessels that have stood the test of time. Our story begins in the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, where the earliest evidence of glassmaking dates back to the 3rd millennium BCE. Ancient Mesopotamian artisans, marveling at the transformative properties of heat upon sand and soda ash, stumbled upon the alchemical process of glass formation. Initially, these early glassmakers fashioned rudimentary beads and small vessels through a laborious method known as core forming, wherein a core of clay or dung was coated with layers of molten glass. The art of glassmaking flourished under the skilled hands of the ancient Egyptians, who elevated the craft to new heights of sophistication. By 1500 BCE, Egyptian artisans had mastered the technique of glass blowing, revolutionizing the production of glass vessels. By blowing air through a tube into a molten blob of glass, craftsmen could shape and manipulate the material with unprecedented precision, paving the way for the mass production of glass bottles and other vessels. This breakthrough allowed for the creation of larger, more intricate objects, including the iconic glass bottles that would become synonymous with luxury and refinement in antiquity. The Romans, ever the innovators, further refined the art of glassmaking during their imperial reign. Under the patronage of emperors and elites, Roman glassmakers honed their skills, developing new techniques and styles that would shape the course of glassmaking for centuries to come. The Roman penchant for opulence gave rise to exquisitely crafted glass bottles adorned with intricate designs, testament to the empire's wealth and cultural sophistication. With the decline of the Roman Empire, the art of glassmaking experienced a period of stagnation in Europe. However, it was during the Middle Ages that glass bottle production witnessed a resurgence. Fueled by the technological advancements of the Islamic world, Arab scholars, building upon ancient knowledge, introduced Europe to the secrets of soda-lime glassmaking, laying the groundwork for the glassmaking revolution that would follow. The dawn of the Renaissance heralded a golden age for glassmaking, as artisans across Europe sought to revive the splendor of antiquity. In Venice, the famed Murano glassmakers honed their craft to perfection, producing exquisite glass bottles coveted by royalty and nobility. The discovery of new glass formulas such as lead crystal unlocked new possibilities for glassmakers, allowing for the creation of brilliant, crystal-clear vessels that captivated the imagination. The 18th and 19th centuries witnessed significant advancements in glass bottle production, spurred by the Industrial Revolution. Steam-powered machinery and mass production techniques transformed the industry, making glass bottles more affordable and accessible than ever before. Innovations such as the automatic bottle-making machine, patented by Michael J. Owens in 1903, revolutionized the manufacturing process, allowing for the rapid production of standardized bottles at a fraction of the previous cost. Today, glass bottle production is a highly automated process that combines cutting-edge technology with centuries-old craftsmanship. The process begins with the selection of raw materials, including sand, soda ash, limestone, and recycled glass cullet. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed in precise proportions before being melted in a furnace at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Once molten, the glass is fed into a forming machine, where it is shaped into bottles using molds or compressed air. The bottles then undergo a process known as annealing, wherein they are gradually cooled to relieve internal stresses and ensure structural integrity. After annealing, the bottles may be subjected to additional processes such as decoration, labeling, and quality control inspections before being packaged and shipped to customers around the world. As we come to an end, from the ancient sands of Mesopotamia to the gleaming factory floors of the 21st century, the story of glass bottle production is a testament to the enduring creativity and ingenuity of humanity. Across millennia, artisans and engineers have labored tirelessly, refining their craft and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. As we reflect on the countless glass bottles that populate our modern world, it's essential to recognize the rich tapestry of history and innovation that lies behind each one. From the earliest core-formed vessels of antiquity to the mass-produced bottles of today, each iteration represents a unique chapter in the ongoing saga of human progress. Moreover, the story of glass bottle production is not just one of technological advancement, but also of cultural exchange and human connection. Throughout history, glassmaking has been a global endeavor, with techniques and traditions crossing borders and continents. From the ancient trade routes of the Silk Road to the bustling ports of the Industrial Revolution, the exchange of knowledge and ideas has fueled the evolution of this ancient craft. Today, as we stand on the precipice of a new era of technological innovation, the future of glass bottle production holds endless possibilities. From sustainable manufacturing practices to cutting-edge recycling technologies, the industry is poised to continue its legacy of innovation and adaptation in the face of changing times. As we raise a glass to toast the centuries of craftsmanship and innovation that have brought us to this moment, let us not only celebrate the beauty and utility of the humble glass bottle, but also reflect on the remarkable journey that has led us here. In every shimmering surface and delicate curve, we find echoes of the past and visions of the future, reminders of the enduring power of human creativity to shape the world around us. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.